I am at UCLA Medical Center, not because I need to go to the doctor, but we're at $59. You can see it. We'll do a quick update and I'll show you what happened. $339 for the week, which is good, right? I want to get to 400 today if I can, because I'm moving. 400 is a minimum where I want to be at, but take a look at it. We've been active 2.5 hours. We've been online 3.5. That means I've been cranking, right? Because I got to move today. And let me show you the details. This ride was $11 using destination mode to go home, but I had a great conversation. She gave me a tip. I ended up making $18. And you already know about the $16 here and the $24 here, because I already talked about it in my last video. We don't need to repeat stuff, right? I want to give you new information. Now, I'm still using destination mode to go home. I'm literally by UCLA. Technically, there's so many kids here, so many students here. It's 10 o'clock. There's somebody that needs a ride out, right? Do you think the Uber driver app or Uber stupid algorithm is going to help us out? No, most likely not, right? So this is what we're going to do. Instead of going the way that it's telling me to go, we're going to change it up. We are going to go through Bel Air. You see right there where it says Bel Air Country Club? We're going to go where the rich people are. And then I'm going to cut across and go slowly. Now I've made my money. I just need to go home and move my trailer, right? But if I get another 10, 15, I'll take it. If I don't get at least $10, $15, no, I'm going to go all the way home. The last passenger and I, we were basically talking about homeless people, and I was telling her how dangerous it is in Santa Monica. And then from Santa Monica to UCLA, I brought her and I showed her everyone. I'd say, look, he's homeless, he's homeless, she's homeless. And she was just shocked. She's like, I used to live in Santa Monica. I used to live and come to UCLA all the time. She's like, I had no idea that it's gotten this dangerous. I said, yeah, it's dangerous, it's unsafe. And she's like, well, what do you suggest, Ahmed? What do you think we should do? I was like, it's very simple. We need to open up mental health institutions. Instead of more Starbucks and more Targets, take one of these malls that are closing because no one's going and shopping because of Amazon, and turn it into a medical facility. Turn it into a medical institution for the mental health, right? That's how you help them. By the way, I'm on Gay Street. Look, check it out, Gay Street. I had to say that because I'm not gay. Look, trust me, I love women. But whenever I see something gay, or when I talk about peanuts, you know, you want some nuts in your mouth? You know, we gotta crack jokes here and there. Red light, we can talk. Understand this, guys. Have a plan, right? Position yourself. And then be patient, right? Today I came out, I made my money, now I'm going home. You know what the trolls are gonna say, right? The trolls are literally gonna say, you're making 50 cents a mile. You're not even making $1 per mile. What these idiots don't understand is, look, there's a YouTube channel and you're commenting on my YouTube channel. You're helping me grow. So shut up. Okay, my bad. I shouldn't tell them to shut up. That's not very spiritual of me. But you know, sometimes they get under my skin too. But here's the thing, you know, the trolls help my channel grow. And I love talking back to them. And I love making smart remarks. Sometimes, you know, I'll make fun of them. Sometimes I'll be quiet. Sometimes I'll just give them a thumbs up, right? But here's the thing. And this is my main point right here. Never mind, I forgot. I got a green light. I gotta go. I forgot what I was talking about. My bad. I'm getting old. I'm getting old. I'm getting old, fellas. I'm getting old. Okay, I remember what my point was, because I'm gonna get on the freeway right now. I won't be able to talk. My point was this. The trolls complain about my whenever I give them my details like this. Like right now, if you look today, if you look right here, it's showing here, let me show you for today. If you look right here, it shows that I've been online. I'm sorry, I've been active for 2 hours and 37 minutes. And let's just say I was just online for 3 hours and 37 minutes, right? They're going to complain that, oh my God, look at your online hours. You're driving 80 hours a week. But what they don't understand is, right now I'm going home. It's going to take me an hour to go home. I'm going to leave the app on, right? I'm leaving the app on because it helps me with Prop 22. What you got for me, little crybaby? Oh, look at that. Fake one. Look. It just popped a fake one. It saw that I was about to leave and it was trying to give me something, but then I stopped. Uber app is like, oh, he stopped. No, well, let's not show him anything. Watch, when I get on the freeway, most likely it'll give me something because I'm going out of the area, right? But my point is this with the trolls. What they don't understand is, if I'm driving and I'm going home and I'm active, that's an hour that's going towards Prop 22. And if you look at one of my previous videos, the week that I made $2,097 in a week, I got $77 from Prop 22. This is exactly why, because the app is on for hours when I'm driving and working on my YouTube channel. Guess what? I don't care how it pays me. As long as it gives me Prop 22 money, I'll take it. Here's another pro tip. If I get on the freeway, I'm gonna get home faster, right? I'm 45 minutes away, 40 miles away. But if I stay on Sepulveda and I keep driving on Sepulveda, I'll go a little bit slower, but the potential of picking someone up using destination mode is higher. Remember that. You don't have to take the freeway home. You can go in the streets a little bit. I'll give you a second pro tip. People that drive Teslas are idiots, and I'll vouch for it. They have more power, they have a better car, and they drive so aggressive. Whenever they can cut us off, whenever they can give us a hard time, they will. Why is that? You have power, you have money, you show it, right? They can't be humble, and I don't understand it. Why? Not all Tesla drivers, but I'm saying more than half the Tesla people in Teslas and people in trucks. The Ram truck. God damn, they want to ram everybody, right? These freaking idiots, right? And I know because I see it. The bigger the truck, the bigger the tires, the more idiot that person is. I'm fired up today, by the way. Okay, I drove over the mountain. I'm right here. If you look right here, this is where I'm at. This is a junction point. So the tip here is this. Look, there's a freeway going this way, there's a freeway going this way, and there's a lot of traffic. So if I wait here, there is a chance in destination mode I can go up. Now, if I turn it off, I have no problem getting a ride in any direction, right? But because I'm using destination mode, it's possibly going to give me this range like this, right? And the algorithm doesn't want me to go home right now. It wants to milk me for more money. I don't want to work because I got to go home and I need to move, right? But if you've been watching my channel, you know the advice that I give you. Give it 5-10 minutes, relax. I'm going to work on the last 2 videos, upload them. This will be the 3rd video for today. I'll upload this. And if I don't get anything, then I'm going to put it in timeout, turn it off, and just go home. Because there's no point. Oh, no. I'm going to leave it on and go home so I can get the Prop 22 money, right? All the way home, I'm going to leave it online because I want to get paid even when I'm driving home, right? Like today, I don't have to worry about my drive time, right? If you look over here, does it show my drive time? Yeah. If you look over here, I'm going to start showing my drive time more often, right? Normally, this is an issue because I like to be very strategic and have a couple hours left over and use as much of the 12 hours as I can. But today, it doesn't matter. When I move, it'll be 6 hours. When I don't drive, it'll reset. Then I'll drive in the evening if I feel like it. If I don't feel like driving in the evening and I take the evening off, then it'll reset by the time I start tomorrow morning. Most likely, I will go to sleep a little bit early. Let me stop. Most likely, I will go to sleep a little bit early tonight so I can get up at 4 in the morning, 4:30 in the morning, and work my way back from where I will be. Okay, I'm going to end this video because I've got almost 2 videos I need to upload. And then if a ride comes, that'll be 1, 2, 3. That'll be the 4th video. So I will record. If something pops up, I'll record it so I'll let you know if it gave me something. Most likely, I don't expect anything. And it's basically I'm going home and the app's not going to give me. They're not going to help us out where the driver needs help because he's going home. Although there's passengers going that way. I guarantee you there's people that need to go here. I guarantee you there's somebody that needs to go here. I guarantee you there's somebody needs to go here. And I definitely guarantee you someone needs to go this way. The algorithm won't give it to you, right? It's racist. It doesn't like Pakistani people.